Hello, welcome back to EatSleepYangon channel. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna explore 27th Street as you can see here. So let's explore together with me. So let's go. So if you're Yangon and you're looking for sightseeing, so I like to recommend you to 27th Street because one special thing about this street is that we can see old buildings here and also good atmosphere to work in the evening. Okay, so what you can see right behind me is the old religious center for the people around here. So normally it's open, but these days it is closed because of COVID. So it is also a library and also a community center for the people around here, but it is closed now. So after walking for a while, I feel kind of thirsty. That's why I bought some refreshment pineapple. Okay, so that is for around 30 or 40 cents. So I'm gonna try. I don't like really sour taste, but it is a little bit sour. So, but that's good. Another special thing about 27th Street is that we have back alley. So when you hear the word back alley, you may think that it is a dirty place. But here you can see the some paintings here. So that is renovated by the charity group called Do. But here now, due to COVID-19 situations, so people normally don't go out that much these days. That's why when we look at the back alley here, there is no paintings left, or it's being quite a messy place here now. But anyway, so we're gonna explore this street. So follow me. Okay, so this street used to be a really good place for people for children to play. But now, as you can see, we can see some dead and trashes around here. So we can say that it is one of the bad habits for people just show up again. So they just throw trash out of the windows and then that's why we can see so many deaths all over. another sad thing is that this used to be a swing for children to play, but now it's all gone. Okay. Another thing that makes me really sad is that they used to be like a playground for children to play, but here, as you can see, the seesaw is all like so dusty and dirty. So like because I think it's because of COVID-19, people don't usually go out these days. That's why it's all over like all dirty and so not a good place to play anymore. We found nets here, so maybe like they used to play or like this. Maybe they still play volleyball here, but I don't think it's a good place for children to play anymore because like we just found 2 dead rats on the roof. Okay, so as you walk with me, we can see like some playground things here. So we can just see like a seesaw and also like the swings here. But when we walk through the back alley, so this can be considered as the best part of the alley because like there's still some like clean environment here. If you like rubber bands, so as you can see, we have like dry rubber bands here. So I just bought some golden fruit. So this is for like 30 cents. So I'm gonna try. It is similar to coconut. Not too sweet, just like plain taste. I just bought a Burmese gangster snack, which is for like around 30 cents. So I'm gonna try. But inside, as you can see, we have like cabbage and also like tomatoes and some chili. So I'm gonna try. It is quite crunchy and also like we can feel like spiciness inside. So today what we have like walked down 27th Street and also like we explored the neighborhood and also like the street food that we saw along the road. So if you like this video, you're gonna like this one and this one. So thanks for watching and hope to see you next time.